Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue cheese at home. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to the final aging process. Making blue cheese is a truly satisfying culinary adventure, allowing you to create a unique, flavorful cheese right in your own kitchen. It involves a few specific steps, but with careful attention, you can achieve delicious results. Let's dive into the world of homemade blue cheese. To begin your blue cheese journey, you'll need a few key ingredients and pieces of equipment. Start with about 2 to 3 gallons of good quality whole milk. You'll also need specialized cultures, including Penicillium roqueforti for the blue veins and a mesophilic starter, rennet, which helps coagulate the milk, and non-iodized cheese salt are also essential. For equipment, ensure you have a reliable dairy thermometer, cheese molds, and draining mats for proper whey removal. The cheese-making process begins by gently warming your milk to a temperature between 86 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you'll add your mesophilic starter culture and the Penicillium roqueforti, followed by the rennet, which will cause the milk to set into a gel. Once set, cut the curds into small, 1/2 to 1 inch cubes. After draining the whey, gently mix in your cheese salt. Finally, transfer the curds into cheese molds, allowing for an open texture that encourages blue mold development. Aging is where the magic happens for blue cheese. After the cheese has drained in its mold for a few days, you'll pierce it with a sterile skewer. These holes allow oxygen to penetrate, which is crucial for the Penicillium roqueforti to flourish and create those distinctive blue veins. Age your cheese in an environment with a consistent temperature of 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit and about 90% humidity. Flip the cheese daily and expect full flavor development over 2 to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.